Today, I'm unboxing something really special. The Srihome SH041 QHD 5.0 MAP security camera. Let's dive right in. First up, this camera packs a punch with a 5MP QHD resolution. That's 2560 by 1920 pixels, folks. If you're looking for crystal clear footage, this camera's got you covered. Now check this out, 20x optical zoom. That's right, no pixelated zoom-ins here. Whether it's 4.7mm or 94mm, you'll get sharp details every time. Perfect for keeping an eye on those far corners of your property. Worried about nighttime? Don't be. The SH041 features starlight level, full color night vision. High power white light ensures that night turns into day. Catch every detail, no matter how dark it gets. Onto the audio. Built-in mic and speaker for two-way audio. You can talk to whoever's at your door or even shout at a potential intruder. Communication made easy. Weather can be unpredictable, but the SH041 is IP66 waterproof. Rain or shine, it's designed to perform in any condition. Storing footage? No problem. You can support up to a 128GB TF card for recording, playback, and downloads right from the Srihome app. PTZ rotation gives you a complete view, 355 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically. Plus, it supports 16 lens presets and 128 PTZ presets. Total flexibility. For connectivity, it's got dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Less interference, more stable transmission. It's a win-win. Lastly, it supports humanoid alarm and tracking, customizable motion detection, and Onvif protocol. You can even use it with NVR and IE browser. So, there you have it, the Srihome SH041 QHD 5.0 MAP security camera. Feature-packed, reliable, and ready to secure your home. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech unboxings. Catch you in the next video.